Morning Backroad Explorers. I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you my new Expedition 1 sliders. We're going to unwrap them and then we're going to hook them up to 4Runner. Should be a lot of fun. Here are my instructions. Pretty simple. They say, determine which slider is left and right side. The Expedition 1 logo is always facing towards the vehicle, which is on the frame. I don't know what that means. The Expedition 1 logo, as far as I can tell, is not directional. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with that tapered edge. Looks like it should be in the front to me. We'll see if we can get this beast manhandled up in there. Probably gonna go grab a jack and see what we can do. So there's a brake line in there that you're gonna take off, and they have a spot for you to put it back on the slider. The brake line is 12 millimeter, but all the bolts that they sent are 13 millimeter. I just took it off with a 12 millimeter or 13 millimeter. Luckily, I don't think I stripped it too bad, hopefully, but it was definitely the wrong size bolt. So 12 millimeter to get the brake line off, 13 millimeter to get the sliders on. And let's get this rolling.
There was one hole on the frame that did not line up with one of the holes on the sliders. That slider still held on by 11 other bolts, so I'm not worried about it, but that's something to look out for.
I went with the Expedition 1 sliders for a couple reasons. I wanted to be able to use them as a step for my kids. It's easier for them to get in and out. It's actually kind of not the best step for me because it's so high, but for the kids it makes a nice little perch to get on to get in. And so I wanted to make sure that I got a slider that could work as a step. I also went with Expedition 1 because they had a really good price. I got them on a Black Friday deal. They had free shipping, and all the other deals I saw, once you put shipping in, it was more than the price of the discount they were giving you. So by getting free shipping from Expedition 1, it was a really good deal. They have a really good reputation in the Jeep industry. From what I can tell, they're pretty new to the 4Runners. You know, I looked on the Toyota 4Runner forum and it was hard to find anybody who had this set of sliders, but I did find a couple people, and I talked to one of them specifically, and he said he loves the quality and thought they looked great. And so far, that's how I feel. They look great. I think that they'll work great for what I need, which is a slider and a step.
Thanks for watching. If you have a moment, please subscribe. Hopefully, we'll see you out on the trail.